will be required in this. So let's look at traceability. This comes very naturally in the product, and while I'm on this screen, let's go back to the product and see what sort of views do you see in Rational Quality Manager. So as I said earlier, the screen should refresh in a second. As I said earlier, everybody gets a dashboard. So I have a dashboard which is showing on the screen right now. And you look at a viewlet which is present over here. It says test case traceability. This really shows me at a concise level what are the test cases, and if I move my mouse over it, it gets me more details of the test case. What are the different test cases which are present? Then the second column shows me what are the requirements linked to it. Third column shows me what are the development items available across that. And I can very well easily visualize this as a gap analysis on the dashboard itself. I can see that one of my test case doesn't have a requirement associated. So then do I really need this test case? And there are various test cases which does not have development items on this. Let's look at a expanded view of this. I'm looking at my test case list, and I can quickly convert this standard test case list view into a traceability view. And when we do this, it goes to the system, gets me live information of which test cases are linked to which requirements. And you see in this second screen, I have only one test case which is linked to a requirement and linked to a development item. So really I can understand what are the gaps available today in my test cases. Do I really need these test cases to be run or not? And then be able to visualize this. I can export this all data out in CSV or a PDF. So I can gather that. Similarly, if I go on the first screen, then here I can see pretty much all the test cases are linked to the requirements and development items. The gap analysis can be again done on the same screen. So if you were to present this information to an auditor, you can easily extract this out in a CSV or a PDF and then export all this and pass it out as hard documents also. I'm going to come back on my slide deck.